Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the quite useful Scorestreak. That's the Shock RC, Shock Remote Control. So what you need to do is click your loadout first. This is your Scorestreak. If you already got the Shock RC, please use it now. So the Shock RC, the function of Shock RC is detect nearby enemies and paralyze them in continuous electric shock. So let's give it a try to do actual gameplay. So this is the actual gameplay. Welcome. So my Shock RC is already set. Let's give a try the Shock RC. Click the Shock RC. It will follow the enemies and shock them. It's very quite useful. So give it a try. Don't forget, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.